Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin and today we're going to be working in this package. We're not working in anything yet, which is wild. Anyway, we're going to be using, we're going to be opening up my package from Uniball. Just kind of amazing. I did reach out to them and they were gracious enough to get me a discount code to purchase some of my favorite products. And what I did was, that's not working. This is a big kahuna. What I did was I also bought things, some pens that I've never used before. So let's go ahead and take a look. So, of course, I think I have some of these. I'm not sure. I will say the crazy thing is the fact that, did I order this one? Did I order the red? There's no packaging slip in here. I have to see what I ordered because I don't know if I ordered red. I'm not sure. It's pretty. And it makes me want to go onto my email address and take a look and see. Well, first of all, now that I'm seeing my desk, I see that I'm completely slanted. How about that? I don't know if I ordered the red. That could have been a freebie. Let's see. But what we're gonna do on this video is we're gonna test out my new pens. I'm super excited about that. And I'll be using it to set up my weekly that I have not touched at all. Which is kind of crazy. But and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my Archer and Olive one. We're gonna do today. Because yesterday I knew I was not going to do any planning, I didn't touch it. So that's what we're gonna update right now. Let's, since I did order the red one. That doesn't seem like me though. But here we are. I ordered the red one. Okay. All right. What I'm not liking is the way this pen looks. I don't know. This one is the Uniball Zento Liquid Gel Ink Retractable Limited Edition. But this is looking rough. Is it supposed to look like that? Let's see. It's a limited edition Japan colors. Let me see if I can click on the item. Not letting me click on the item, but it doesn't feel smooth, which is kind of nice, but it just has a rough feeling to it, and that I don't know if I like it, because I feel like things will stay attached to it. So this one, I don't think I want to use my red one on here. I may have to just, okay. I pulled this out because I thought I was going to just be using like black ink, because that's normally what I buy. But this is the Zento 0.7, and it has a little wax at the end. So it's 12 o'clock and we're going to do some recordings. So, ooh, record. And this is on Happy Planner stickers. Uni unbox. Now, the boys are supposed to have a half a day. And one of my sons comes home around 12:30 and the other one normally comes home around 2. But what that also means is that my son obviously did not feel well, so I had to pick him up early. He was at school for like, I don't know, an hour. So we're going to put pick up Jacob here. Is this like dry? It's not bad. It's dry. So we're going to put pick up Jacob. It's very smooth. We're going to put pick up Jay. because Jacob doesn't fit there. That's the only reason why. Here I had to drop off the rental. And plan AAU for the 30th. That was wild, but that's what I did yesterday. All the craziness. What else? So I like this pen. I like the way it writes. It's very smooth. So I don't think this is going to be nice for me to just like scribble, because I feel like that's where it goes. I like the size of the pen. So that's my honest opinion about that. And then I have the Uniball Zento. This is also 0.7. This is gel. This is all black. So I really just got, let's see how this one feels, because I feel like this barrel feels different than what I'm used to. And it could be because it's a limited edition. Like I said, it's a limited edition color from Japan. And green has been something I'm enjoying as of late. Oh no, they all, no, see, look, like this one is, it feels grabby, but it still feels smooth. This one, for some reason, I don't know, it just doesn't feel as smooth. And then I have a gray. This is not white, right? Because that's white. If you can tell. Yeah, that's white. That's not. This is white. That's not white. This is gray, and then this is a navy blue. Very cute. We'll put here, let's see. Well, and they're all the same. They all have the little wax at the end. So I'm going to leave them on there because I don't want to mess with that. We're going to do practice. I'm probably going to go earlier than that. And I have to record 2 other videos. So I don't know which 2 I'm going to do. So I'm not going to write that in there. This pen doesn't have any of those, what is it called? It doesn't have the wax tip. But let me grab a book so I can see how it will write. So I'm just grabbing my notebook. And this is not normally the one I scribble in, but this is one that I take notes in. So let's see. Take note. Oh, it's like a pink. Could I use it on here? I could probably use it on here, and I'm not going to be upset. Let's see. Let's see how it looks on the Archer and Olive paper. So tomorrow at 3:30 there will be practice. Ooh, it's like the white gel pens that it gives you, it's juicy. Lets out a lot of ink. I like that. We are going to actually record here. Oh, that feels good. I'm not really a person that writes in color. That's the reason why I'm surprised that I got this one, but I'm liking it. Take a sip of my drink. Trying to think of what else. That's my day every day. Record and practice. Ooh, I may even use this color to do that. We also, at 11 and at 10, I'm going to put it, all right, so I have to call Publix for a fundraiser. So I don't like to write small with this because, again, it leaks out a lot of ink. And then there's like the P doesn't have a space where it's supposed to, and the B at the bottom. whatever. That's just me being picky. But I have to call them again at 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna bring that down here. To see if we can do fundraisers for AAU. And then what I can do here is, I really like this pen, so I'm gonna keep using it. I'm gonna keep having fun with it. I'll probably alternate between the black and the pink because it's not red. At least it's not red to me. This says metallic red, but it says to me it's definitely it looks pink. So we're gonna do, I think I'm gonna plan the AAU trip here. So we need airline, we need rental, we need the rental. There's something else. Hotel. Oh my goodness, I'm drawing blanks now that the camera's on. This is crazy. Airline, rental, hotel. Food. And then venue. The price for the venue. And then we need to lock down times, meaning what time to leave, what time to arrive, stuff like that. And then I'll add up the cost and everything and then give it to parents. So I think this works. Let's see. I do have to cook at some point, and we're gonna cook at 6:30 today. I did not cook yesterday at all. Oh, and also PBI happened yesterday. There's no basketball games that I want to watch. I do probably want to watch film with my son sometime this week. Maybe I'll put it here, watch film. What else? I think that's it for right now. But I do think this is cute. It's not red though. This is these kinds of things is the reason for swatch books, which I so want to do. As you have no idea, I'm dying to do a swatch book, but I'm gonna bring this closer and see if you can see the, what is that called? The shimmer. It's not crazy annoying. I can see it on the where it says record. I can see it there, but so cute. I'm here for it. It's a little bit of a change and something I probably would have not done if I wasn't sharing with you guys, which I think is also one of the blessings that I have when I do these unboxings and all that other stuff. It just fills my creativity because I'm able to talk things through. And these are the Signal, the Uniball Signal, the white. You've seen me use it before. I only had one. Now I have two more. So I'm excited about that, to keep them coming. But guys, there you have it. This is my Paul from Uniball. Thank you so much for Uniball for providing me a discount code to get these products. I really appreciate it. And if you are interested in watching me plan, watching me use my products, please consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye now.